How to operate your Avtex TV. Today I want to show you how to use your remote controls and how to operate your TV. First of all, make sure that on your fin scan you have your entertainment on. So you see an orange light around entertainment. That is the circuit that will power your TV and your radio. So that needs to be on. There is a little bar in the front here on the top. So that is the lock that secures your TV to the wall while you're driving. You can, when you're ready to view programs on your TV, you turn the lever to the right and the lock will become undone, and then you can pull your TV out to your required angle. If you do have an RSE skybox installed, you will have two remote controls. This one here powers the skybox. This one here powers your normal TV. So first of all, your TV will run over the skybox if you have one installed. So this will be your main control to operate your channels. This is just the TV remote that you would use if you wouldn't have a skybox or for viewing DVDs. Make sure your skybox, which is usually located on top of your microwave, make sure the skybox is switched on. You use your skybox remote to turn the skybox on, pointing to the top right corner where the receiver is. Once that is on, you turn your actual TV on by pushing the red button. Make sure your set dish is up. And here is your TV running. So to control the volume, you can use either remote. You can use your TV remote. You can also use your skybox remote. To change the programs on your TV, your channels, you have to use the RSE remote control. So up and down for changing the channels. If you now slide in your Sky card from home, your Sky programs will automatically pop up. And this is the slide where the Sky card will slot in. If you use your TV remote control, you can go onto source. And now you will see your TV is set on HDMI 1. That is where you watch your TV. If you want to watch DVD, you again use your TV remote and then you go up. Until you are on DVD. Confirm with OK. And your TV is now on DVD mode. You slide the DVD behind your TV into the slot right here. Now the TV remote will be the one that you will have to use for your DVD functions. To go back, you go back onto source. You go down to HDMI 1. Confirm and you are back on TV. If you by accident turn your skybox off with the RSE control and turn it back on, it will take about 20 to 30 seconds for the TV to reload. You could just leave your skybox on at all times and just turn your TV off with the TV remote. So that way you don't have to remember to turn the RSE box off as well. Use both hands to push the TV back against the wall until you hear it click, and it's all secured for driving. If you do have another TV in your bedroom, or in general a TV without a skybox, it is very simple to turn it on. You will just have this control. This is all you need. You turn your TV on. And then you change your channels with the remote using the channel up and down and the volume up and down. Very, very easy. So this is just the one remote. To turn it off, power button off. So to recap, if you have a TV without a skybox, you have only this remote. Your TV is programmed on HDMI 1. Make sure your satellite dish is up. If you do have a skybox, make sure both the skybox and the TV is on. You can use your TV remote for on and off, for volume up and down, and for going onto source to change from TV to DVD. If you have a skybox, make sure you turn it on with this remote, and then you control your channels with this remote by simply pushing up and down button. Very, very easy. And that is your Avtex TV.